Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretation, and today we're doing ILLENIUM and Dabin featuring Light, Hearts on Fire. Okay, it's actually a great song. Like, it's an amazing song. I love the guitar work. It's more on the fingerstyle side, but we're gonna play it for beginners, intermediate players, and advanced players. Okay, so let's just start with the beginners side. I'm gonna show you the chords and how to strum it. Okay, so if you want to just strum over the song and sing the song while strumming, that's what we're gonna do first. So the chords are gonna be basic chords. The first chord is an A minor. So how we're gonna strum this is down, 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 down. Okay, so down, down. You can play it as down, 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 up, down. Okay, down, 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 up, down. Okay, down, 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 up, down. And then we go to F. Down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. And then down, 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 down. And then G, down, 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 down. So the chords are A minor to F, and then C to G. Okay, but here's the trick to make it sound more original. The first bar you play A minor, F, C, G, and then the second bar you play A minor, F, C, and then E minor. Okay, and for E minor, don't use the sixth string as your bass, use the fifth. Okay, so you got that. Okay, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. You can strum it however you feel, as long as it goes along with the song. You can like listen to it while playing. It sounds better when you mute it. All right. Now, if you're like if you're an intermediate player, you wanna play it like this. Okay. So this is A minor, right? But we're gonna remove that shape, but we're still playing in A minor, right? And then you know how you hold D with the second and the third string? That's how you're gonna hold this A minor, and then you use the bass, which is the fifth string. Okay. So now to play this is gonna be. So that's while holding this shape, like I said, right? You then play strings 3, 2, and 5. You pluck them at once, and then you play the open first, and then back to 2. So that's both first, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, let's do that again. Both while holding the bass, A minor. Both open, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Both 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay. Both 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2. And then you come to first fret of the second string to play. And this is already F, so you just play this and then you transition to F, right? Play this, that's first fret of the second string, transition to F, and here we're plucking strings 6, 4, 3, and then we go to C, and then you strum E minor. So that first shape, F, C, and then E minor. Alright, that's pretty much it. And if you're like an advanced player, where you're gonna play like, sorry, this is. So to play that, instead of going third fret to open on the first string, you're sliding. Okay. Okay, so you're sliding 3, 5, 3 to 5, back, to 3, and then you play the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then you do that 3 2 1 3 2. Okay, so it's 3 2 1 2, and then we go to this, and then F, and then C. We're holding C, but then you're also hammering onto the 3rd fret of the 1st string to get that note. So that's how you're playing your C. And then you slide it to 5th fret, right? You slide that 1st string to 5th fret, and then you come to back to the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So that's okay, 3 on the 2nd fret, and then you play the 1st fret of the 2nd string, which is the note that you play when you're playing C, but now you're using G. That's the chord that we're on now. So that's, then you open it. Okay, let's go again. A minor, so this is an E minor. If you don't want to finish the shape on G, you can go to E minor when you open, okay? When you open the 1st fret of the 2nd string. So that's pretty much it. And you can also fuse the intermediate player with the advanced instead of doing the slide, and just use the pretty much it for this video, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. It's a detailed illustration of how to hold the chords, and you can just learn the basic chords from that video and then come back to these videos that I do for your progressions. It's on this channel. If you can't find it, I will put it in the description below. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.